Stuffed portobello mushrooms, 1 package of fresh spinach. That's 9 ounces. You want to put that spinach on the steamer for approximately 3 to 4 minutes or until it's wilted. While that's cooking, I want to prepare the mushroom caps. You want to pop out the stem like so, and then gently scrape out the ribs or gills. Okay, we're going to combine the feta cheese, the diced tomato, Parmesan cheese, the dill, a little bit of salt and pepper mixture, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Give that a quick stir a little bit like that. Okay, your spinach is ready. I'm going to take that off the steamer. Use a pair of tongs. Put it in the bowl. Mix it up. Okay. All right. Now we need to empty out the skillet. Carefully remove that lid. Carefully remove the steamer plate. Empty out your water. Quick rinse. Plug your control back in, turn it up to 350 degrees. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin. Place your mushrooms in the bottom of the pan and put a lid on it. Now this is only going to be for maybe 3 minutes. We're just going to brown the bottom. Afterwards, when it gets brown just a little bit, we're going to remove the mushrooms from the skillet and put them back on the steamer plate. Keep in mind now, when I put them back on the steamer plate, we're not going to put any water in the skillet. We're going to use the steamer skillet as an oven now. It's been about 4 minutes. Remove the lid and transfer your mushrooms to the steamer plate. Put the cover back on. You're going to let that cook 27 to 30 minutes. After 27 minutes, you're ready. Stuffed portobello mushroom.